GPT-5 is here, and it might be the most controversial AI release of the year. Could its biggest new feature actually do more harm than good? Let's find out. Because the promise is a true game changer. A PhD level AI so powerful you could launch $1 million business
Okay,
from a
this
coffee
looks good.
shop
I think I'm ready
without
to send this
hiring a
proposal.
single person.
Let's just grab.
Let's hear what Sam Altman himself described in the press conference.
Today, finally, we're launching GPT-5. GPT-5 is a major upgrade over GPT-4 and a significant step along our path to AG. GPT-3 was sort of like talking to a high school student. There were flashes of brilliance, lots of annoyance, but people started to use it and get some value out of it. With GPT-4, maybe it was like talking to a college student. Real intelligence, real utility. But with GPT-5, now it's like talking to an expert, a legitimate PhD level expert in anything, any area you need, on demand, that can help you with whatever your goals are.
Is GPT-5 a giant leap like GPT-4, or just a refinement or major AI advancement? Let's walk through its biggest upgrades with live demos you can try yourself. Welcome to AI Joyful Discoveries. Today, we're diving into GPT-5, when to use it, when to skip it, and how to get the most out of its new features. The biggest change? You never have to choose the right model again. GPT-5 uses a hybrid system that automatically picks the best engine for your request, whether that's fast drafting, deep reasoning, or image analysis. You just type, speak, or upload an image, and GPT-5 quietly switches models in the background so you always get the best result. The new ChatGPT system uses a real-time router that selects the appropriate underlying model based on prompt complexity. Eliminating manual selection has received mixed feedback. Some users criticize GPT-5 for sometimes choosing the wrong model for their prompts. Access and pricing. Here's what everyone asks. How much can you use GPT-5 for free? Free tier, 10 GPT-5 messages every 5 hours and one thinking message a day for deep reasoning. Plus users, 80 messages every 3 hours. Pro plan, unlimited. And when you hit your cap, it automatically switches to GPT-5 mini so you can keep chatting without interruptions. Comprehensive task assistance, GPT-5 can manage entire workflows from start to finish in business, education, or even healthcare. In the press conference, they showed a moving example. A cancer patient uploaded their complex medical report. GPT-5 broke down the medical jargon into plain, patient-friendly language, mapping it to the person's condition. That's multimodal understanding plus specialized reasoning, and you can apply it to almost any task. Deep reasoning, planning. When you need more than a quick answer, GPT-5 excels at deep, structured thinking. Just add phrases like deep thinking mode or reason step by step. I asked it to design a 7-day marketing campaign for a new coffee shop, specifying budget, channels, and KPIs to be presented in a table. The detailed response was generated using deep thinking mode. Multimodal, seamless interaction. With GPT-5, you can mix and match how you work. Upload an image, type a question, then switch to voice, all in the same conversation. It understands text, images, and spoken input together, so you can focus on the task instead of the tool. Software development, coding for developers. GPT-5 is a full coding assistant generating, explaining, and debugging code. It can even build multi-file project scaffolds with tests and documentation. Non-coders can now build apps and games like pros. Sam Altman's Snake game took 7 seconds. I asked GPT-5 to make Tetris game. GPT-5 can generate a functional Python Tetris game from a single prompt in seconds. The code is typically ready to run immediately in VS Code, and GPT-5 even suggests further enhancements like difficulty adjustments, visual improvements, or control modifications. I prefer GitHub Copilot as my primary coding assistant with GPT-5 as a backup. Better context management. GPT-5 significantly expands ChatGPT's memory, handling up to 256K tokens. While subtle in short interactions, this enhanced capacity allows it to maintain context and coherence throughout lengthy conversations. Large documents and intricate projects, a marked improvement over GPT-4. When prompted, it plans a 3-day Paris trip, rewrites the itinerary as a travel blog post, and transforms the blog post into an Instagram carousel script, maintaining context throughout. More natural voice mode ideal for language practice, storytelling, or dictation. Let's hear a sample sushi order.
Absolutely. Let's jump into that scenario. Welcome to our little sushi spot in Tokyo. I'm your waiter today, so just let me know what you're in the mood for and I'll be happy to help. Sure. So today's special is actually a seasonal sushi platter. It's got a mix of really fresh local fish, a bit of tuna, some salmon, and a little bit of sea bream. It's arranged in a kind of omakase style, so you get a little bit of everything. If that sounds good, we can definitely go with that, or I can help you pick something else.
Honestly, I don't hear a voice difference between 4 and 5. Hallucinations, according to GPT-5 release note, are way down. GPT-5 sources more answers, links them. I've seen mixed responses on platforms like Reddit and Twitter, which seem to vary depending on the specific questions asked. What do you think? I miss the ability to generate 69 visuals from text prompts. GPT-5's image generation seems less effective than it used to be, with the results being less ideal, sometimes only give me instruction how to generate it. Unlike tools such as Google VO3, which excels at high quality text to video generation, as detailed in my previous video, how to use Google VO3 create cinematic AI videos. GPT-5 does not yet offer native text to video functionality. Grok 4 provides fast conversational AI with real-time data access from X, formerly Twitter. In a comparison on a top YouTube channel for AI, Grok 4 answered a question in 1 minute and 43 seconds, while GPT-5 took 2 minutes and 37 seconds. What makes it stand out for Grok isn't just IQ tests, it's real-time internet access through X, allowing Grok to answer with up-to-the-minute news, trends, and even live sports scores. It's designed to be fast, witty, and slightly rebellious, matching Musk's own style. Where GPT models are cautious and tuned for balanced reasoning, Grok 4 can deliver instant fact checks, pull the latest data, and comment on breaking events as they happen, something GPT-4 and GPT-5 currently can't do without external plugins. GPT-5's strength is reasoning, structured answers, and multimodal understanding. But for now, if you need full video creation from text, you'll still have to pair it with other tools. Okay, so after checking out what GPT-5 can and can't do, here are some prompt ideas and use cases for you to look at using my digital avatar, website mockup animations, and Canva-style social media post examples. Teachers can turn GPT-5 into an interactive tutor. Want a 5-day physics crash course for 10th graders? Done. Need a custom reading comprehension quiz? Instant. They can create a biology quiz with auto-grading or generate flashcards for language learners. A student uses GPT-5 to research, write, and design a presentation in just 2 hours. Tell GPT-5, make me a bakery website in pastel pink and gold with a French cafe vibe, and it doesn't just code it, it makes it gorgeous. It can even create matching marketing images and short promo videos. Prompt for travel blog seaside plus matching Instagram posts. Prompt for product, get product photo mockups and add copy. Used GPT-5 to simplify reports, list treatment options, and prepare questions for doctor. Upload a blood test report and GPT-5 explains each term in plain language. Ask for a 3-month heart-healthy diet plan based on your report. Uses GPT-5 for product descriptions, images, and ads, streamlining business. This is a total gold rush for students, solo creators, and startups. Now, one person rocking GPT-5 can crush what a whole team used to do. Seriously, do you think you could launch your own solo business now? By 2027, Sam Altman predicts an AI breakthrough that could change the world. Until then, GPT-5 is your tool, whether you're coding, teaching, creating, or running a business. What's the most impressive feature to you? Do you think GPT-5 will be PhD level AI? Share your thoughts in the comments.